How to open an account on ING Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open a bank account on ING Bank. So to do that, first of all, go to the ING website or the app and simply choose the option open an account. Now once you've done that, choose the account type which you'd like to open. You can open an everyday account, a savings account, or a term deposit. So in my case, I'll simply choose an everyday account. Now once you've done that, you'll have to enter details such as your title, first name, last name, date of birth, email address, and then tap on the option next. Now, in order to verify your identity, you can either do so by uploading your ID such as your driver's license, your passport, or Australian photo ID, or you can also verify with digital ID, where you can use your existing digital ID from your bank or a digital identity provider. Now, once you've done that, tap on the option next. After that, fill out details such as your residential address, your employment status, your annual income, your sources of fund. And once you've done that, simply review your entire application, and once you tap on the option confirm and submit, you'll have successfully created an account on ING Bank. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.